Hello everyone, welcome to Harshi class. I am Rani. Today we will solve class 6 mathematics chapter 3 playing with numbers in that exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4 question number 1, find the common factors of the given numbers. Here factor is nothing but the number which divides the given number without leaving any remainder. Common factors. Common factors are the factors which are common, which are there in both the given numbers. Now, for finding the common factors, first we need to find the factors of 20 and then 28. Factors of 20. 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Here 5 and 4, both the numbers are already written. 5 and 4 started repeating. That means listing the factors are completed now. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now the factors of number 28. 1 28s are 28, 2 14s are 28, 2 14s are 28 and 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. After that 5, if we divide 28 with 5, 3 will be the remainder, so 5 is not a factor of 28. 6 is also not a factor of 28. 7 4s are 28, but 7 and 4 both the numbers are already written. The numbers started repeating. That means listing the factors is completed now. The factors of number 28 are 1 2 4 7 14 and 28. 1 2 4 7 14 and 28. Now factors of both the numbers are written. Let's compare the factors of these two numbers which are common here. The common factors are 1 is there in both the numbers factors, 2 4 5 10 20, these are not there in the factors of 28. So the common factors of 20 and 28 are 1 2 4. The common factors of 20 and 28 are 1 2 4. Next B1. The given numbers are 15 and 25. 15 and 25. Factors of 15. 1 15s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 and 3 already written. Repetition started, so we will stop writing the factors here. Now the factors of 15 are 1 3 5 and 15. Factors of 25. 1 25s are 25. After that 2 is not a factor of 25 because it leaves remainder of 1, and 3 is also not a factor of 25, it also gives remainder 1. 4 is also not a factor of 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. After that 25 1s are 25. So the factors of 25 are 1 5 and 25. 1 5 and 25. You know the properties of factors in that 1 is a factor of every number, and the number itself. Every number has two factors except number 1. What are those two factors? 1 and the number itself. Now the common factors of 15 and 25 are, Here the common factors are 1. 3 is not there in the factors of 25, but 5 is there. So the common factors of 15 and 25 are 1, 5. C. 35 and 50. Here the given numbers are 35 and 50. Let's find the factors of 35. 1 35s are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 7 5s are 35. After that 7 5s are 35, but 7 and 5 are already written. So the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Once the repetition of the number started, we will stop writing factors over there because the factors of the number are completed. 1, 5, 7 and 35 are the factors of 35. Now the factors of 50. 150s are 50. 50 is an even number divisible by 2. 2 25s are 50. 2 25s are 50. 5 tens are 50. After that 10 5s are 50. 10 and 5 already written. Repetition of the number started again. So here the factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. The common factors. Common factors are 1, 5. Only two common factors are there. The common factors of 35 and 50 are 1 and 5. D. 56 and 120. 56 and 120. The factors of number 56. Factors of number 56 are 156 are 56. 56 is an even number, so completely divisible by 2. 2 28s are 56. 56 is also divisible by 4. 4 14s are 56. 7 8s are 56. After that 8 sevens are. 8 and 7 already written. Now here the factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. These are the factors of 56. Now factors of 120. Factors of 120. 1, 120. 2 60s are 120. 3 40s are 120. 4 30s are 120. Then 5 24s are 5 20s are 100. 5 4s are 20. 5 24s are 120. 6 20s are 120. 8 15s are 120. After that 10 12s are 120. 10 12s are and 12 10s are 12 10s are 12 10s means numbers are repeating. So here the factors of 120 are, so many factors are there for number 120. Those are 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 10 and 12 15 20 24 30 40 60 and 120. So many factors are there for number 120. Let's find the common factors of 56 and 120. Common factors are 1, 2, 4, after that 8 is there in both the factors. 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. The common factors of 56 and 120 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Second question. Find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. In the first question, we find the factors of two numbers. Now we are going to find the common factors of three numbers, 4, 8 and 12. First, the factors of 4. The factors of 4 are 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. After that 4 1s are 4. So here the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Next, factors of 8. 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. 4 and 2 are repeating. So here the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are also 12. 4 and 3 are already written. Repetition of the number started. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now the common factors. The factors which are there in all the three numbers factors, those are common factors. If the factor is there only in 4 and 8 factors, that is not going to be the common factor. It should be there in all the three numbers factors. 1 is there in all the three numbers factors. 2, then 4. So the common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. B. 5, 15 and 25. 5, 15 and 25. 5 is a prime number. We know that 5 is a prime number. It has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, 1 and 5. 15. Factors of 15. 1 15s are 15. 3 5s are 15. After that 5 3s are 15. 5 and 3 already written here. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now factors of 25. 1 25s are 25. Then 5 5s are 25. Here the factors of 25 are 1, 25 and 5. Common factors. Common factors of 5, 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Question number 3. Find three common multiples. Find three common multiples. Those are the first three common multiples of 6 and 8. Multiples are nothing but, here we need to write the table of the number 6 and then 8. Multiples are infinite. They are not going to be end at 10. 6 tens are 60. That is not the last multiple. Multiples are infinite. They are uncountable. So first write the multiples of number 6. Multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Like that you need to write the table. Here written the table up to 6 15s are 90. 6 15s are 90. Next, multiples of 8 are written up to 8 13s are. Now find the common multiples. Find the first three common multiples. Here the first common multiple is 24. 24 is the first common multiple of both the 6 and 8 multiples. After that, 30, 36, 42, 48. 48 is the second common multiple. Then 72. 72 is the third common multiple. Here the first three common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and 72. 24, 48 and 72. Common multiples. The first three common multiples of 12 and 18. For this, write the multiples of 12. 12th table. 12 tens are 120. Up to 120 is written here. Now, multiples of 18 are 18 tens are 180. So, we will compare the multiples of both 12 and 18 to find the common multiples. 36 is the first common multiple here. After that, 72 is the second common multiple. Then 108 is the third common multiple of 12 and 18. The first three common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72 and 108. Multiples are nothing but the tables which we write. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, like that. 12, 24, 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. We need to write the multiples of the given numbers and then compare those two multiples. Fourth question, write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Here we are going to find the common multiples of 3 and 4. There is one short method for finding the common multiples of one odd and one even number. Here 3 is an odd number and 4 is an even number. Their first common multiple will be their product. First common multiple will be their product. The product of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 fours are 12. The first common multiples of 3 and 4 is 12. Then how to find the second common multiple? Second common multiple. Multiply the first common multiple with 2 so that you will get the second common multiple. Just double the first common multiple. 12 twos are 24. 24 is the second common multiple. 12 threes are 36. 36 is the third common multiple. 12 fours are 48. 48 is the fourth common multiple. 12 fives are 60. 12 six are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. These are the common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. These are the common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. You can check by writing the multiples of 3 and 4 also. Here the multiples of 3 are. Multiples of 3 are. All the multiples I have written. Then the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 which are less than 100. Now try to find the common multiples of both 3 and 4. Common multiples of both 3 and 4. Here the first common multiple is 12. 12 which is the product of 3 and 4. And the second common multiple is 24. Third one 36. Fourth common multiple is 48. Fifth common multiple is 60. 12 fives are 60. Sixth common multiple is 72. 12 six are 72. 12 sevens are 84. And 12 eights are 96. In this way, by using the short method, we can find the multiples of the given number. It is applicable where there is one odd number and one even number. So the common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Next question number 5. Which of the following numbers are coprime? Coprime numbers. The numbers which have only 1 as a common factor. If you compare the factors of two numbers, those have only 1, number 1 as a common factor, those are called coprime numbers. A. 18 and 35. 18 and 35. Here the factors of 18 are 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18, then 6 3s are. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now the factors of 35. 1 35s are 35, 5 7s are 35, then 7 5s are 35. So the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Find the common factors. Common factors of 18 and 35 are 1. Only 1 is the common factor here. Remaining all are different. So 18 and 35 have only one common factor, that is 1. That means these numbers are coprime numbers. 18 and 35 are coprime numbers. B. 15 and 37. Factors of 15. 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15, after that 5 3s are. 5 and 3 are already written. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now the factors of 37. 37 is a prime number. It is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So the factors of 37 are 1 and 37. Now find the common factors. Only 1. The common factor of 15 and 37 is 1. So they are coprime numbers. 30 and 415. 30 and 415. Factors of 30. 1 30s are 30. 2 15s are 30. 3 10s are 30. 5 6 are 30. After that 6 5s are 30. So the factors of 30 are 1 2 3 5. 1 2 3 5. 6 10 15 and 30. Now the factors of 415. Factors of 415. 1 415s are 415. Next 5 83s are 415. Only these are the factors of 415. 1 5 83 and 415. Common factors. Common factors of 30 and 415 are 1, after that 5, 1 and 5. It has two common factors. Those are 1 and 5. That means these numbers are not coprime numbers. Coprime numbers are those numbers which have only number 1 as the common factor. But here it has two common factors. So it is not a coprime number. These are not coprime numbers. D. 17 and 68. 17 is a prime number. It has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Now 68. 68. 168s are 68. 2 34s are 68. 4 17s are 68. Next 17 4s are 68. So the factors of 68 are 1 2 4 17 34 and 68. Common factors. Let's compare and find the common factors. Common factors are 1 and 17. These 17 and 68 have two common factors. Those are 1 and 17. That means these are not co-prime numbers. E. 216 and 215. Factors of number 216. 216 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2 also. 2 108s are 216. 3 72 216. 4 54s are 216. 6 36 are 216. 8 27s are 216. 9 24s are, and 10, if we divide with 10, 6 will come remainder, so 10 is not a factor. After that, 12 18s are 216. Then 18 12s are 18 12. 18 and 12 are already written, the numbers are there, so the factors of 218 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 9 12 18 24 27 36 54 72 108 and 216. Now the factors of 215. Factors of 215. 215 is divisible by 5. 5 43s are 215. Next 43 5s are. It is an odd number. It has less factors. Those are 1, 5, 43 and 215. Now the common factors are 1. Only 1 is the common factor here. So 216 and 215 are co-prime numbers. Next, F1. 81 and 16. 81 and 16. Factors of 81. 1 81s are 81. 81 is an odd number, so it is not going to be completely divisible by 2. Let's check with 3. 3 27s are 81. After that, 9 9s are 81. So the factors of 81 are 1 3 9 27 and 81. Now the factors of 16. Factors of 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are, and 4 4s are 16. After that, 8 2s are. 8 and 2 already written. They are going to be repeat. So here the factors of 16 are 1 2 4 8 and 16. Now find the common factors. 1. Only 1 is the common factor here. That means 81 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Next, question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? If any number is divisible by two numbers, 5 and 12. Here the number is divisible by 5 and 12. That means the other number is also divisible by their product. The other number is also divisible by the product of 5 and 12. 5 12s are 60. For example, take one example here, that is 120. 120 is a number which is divisible by both 5 and 12. It is divisible by both 5 and 12 because 5 24s are 5 24s 5 24s are 120 and 120 is also divisible by 12 because 12 tens are 120. So here the product is 60. This 120 is also divisible by 120 is also divisible by 60. 60 twos are 120. So a number is divisible by both 5 and 12, so that the number will be always divisible by their product 60. Their product 60. Next, seventh question. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? If a number is divisible by 12 means that number is also divisible by the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So the other numbers which divides the given number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.